Hello, dear doctors and students. Today in Mathemedica Therapeutics, we will learn alopecia. I would like to request those who want to learn can subscribe my YouTube channel and we will learn gradually one after another topic. I also need your feedback. So, we all know that alopecia, one of the most common problems. Each homeopath get 10 to 20% cases of alopecia. So I would like to share my experience with a few remedies. No doubt, best is constitutional remedy, but many times you will not get that much time enough for the case taking. You can use this experience tips of mine in your practice. So let us start. Fluoric acid. It is indicated especially when falling of hairs in a large patches. Hairs are dry and breaks off easily. Here the constitution of fluoric acid is premature aged person like Lycopodium. So you can see my cases in picture before treatment as well as after treatment. Next remedy, Aurum metallicum. It always prescribes this remedy on mental picture, especially patient have a depression, hopelessness and disgust of life, and there is a baldness. Next, Baryta carp. We use constitutionally this remedy. Baldness especially of the crown in a young people with low grasping, silly and childish behavior. Scalp very sensitive to touch. Cantharis. I use this remedy very frequently in my practice when you don't have a time to go in a detailed case taking and the patient says that I hair falls and then hair falls in bunches and they came with the bunches of hairs to you to show you. So it always give the remedy in a 30 potency with the frequently, especially also hair falls in confinement and lactation time. Scales on the scalp, enormous dandruff. So use Cantharis will never dissatisfy you. Carbovage, when patient have hair falling after severe disease, especially acute disease like malaria, typhoid, nowadays COVID, or parturition. Hair falls out more on back of head. China officinalis, hair fall especially when there is a copious sweats. Patient आके बताएगा बहुत पसीना हो रहा है scalp पे, and there is a marked debility after loss of vital fluids like diarrhea or hemorrhages. Then come graphitis. This cures bald spots on the sides of head. The head again here sweats easily, and the most important remedy in alopecia areata, as we have seen in fluoric acid. Kali carbonicum we use in a patient who have a nervous fears, dry hair, rapid falling of hair with much dandruff. Lycopodium, one of the most popular remedy, 3 marks in our hair falling rubrics. Constitutionally we use where the hair become grey early. Young बच्चा आएगा बोलेगा बाल बहुत ग्रे जल्दी हो रहे हैं. And also hair falls after abdominal disease, after parturition. There is a itching of the scalp, especially getting warm from exercise during the day. Natrum mure, again it is a very important constitutional remedy. We give on an emotional trauma, there is a grief, there is a disappointment. Also frequently used in a nursing woman and hair fall, especially when touched or combed, mostly on the forehead or temples. Scalp very sensitive, and as we know that the face are very greasy as if shine. Phosphoric acid, again important remedy with a marked debility. There is a brooding, emotional trauma, and the hair falls very easily. We use in a mother tincture also. Then phosphorus, again constitutional remedy. Hair falls in a bundles, large bundles, especially of the forehead or on the sides above the ears. Hair roots very dry and dandruff is there. Soranum I use very frequently in my practice when the patient comes to you, especially hair fall in the winter, or if you find that there is a nutritional cause behind the hair falling, always start with Soranum 200 one dose followed by indicated medicines. It will never dissatisfy you. So Soranum you can use as an intercurrent also, especially those who are deprived from the nutrition. We use this remedy. Selenium, again hair fall off when combing, also hair falls from eyebrows, from whiskers and genitals. Itching on the scalp which feels tense and contracted. Does not want hair to be touched. Staphysagrия, again ailment from mortification, humiliation is one of the cause, but also hair falls very easily and especially on occiput with humid fetid eruptions on the scalp. There is a dandruff on the scalp and hair pulls out without pain after the slightest effort. Sulfur, very popular remedy, we use as an intercurrent also as well as a constitutionally also. When psoriatic manifestations, dandruff, hair fall with dryness, scalp painful to touch and itching violently, aggravates when getting warm in bed. Sepia, suited especially to those who are suffering from chronic headaches during menopause. Root of hair sensitive to combing. Shilajit, a remedy for the premature baldness, itching of scalp. Definitely few Shilajit tent should be there. Thuja again is important remedy. Thuja mother tincture is very important in hair falling solutions available in the markets. They use Thuja Q, Cantharis Q, Zaborandi Q also. But here I'm used as an internal also when the white scaly dandruff and hair dries and fall off. Vinca minor, it works well in cases where there is a tendency to hair to fall in spots which are then replaced by white hair. Along with this, itching and violent scratching over the scalp may also be present. So, my dear friends, these are the few medicines I have discussed with you. There are many more medicines which can be used in hair falling. Best is always take the detailed case taking and try to find a constitutional medicine. So I hope you have understood this small lecture regarding alopecia of my experience. Once again, thank you very much. Keep learning.